In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and hitting alarm at the bottom left corner. Now to add a new one, use this plus and set up an hour. When you finished, you need to select one of those repeat options: once, weekdays, or custom. If you decided to select custom, pick days of the week and hit save. Then tap on snooze to adjust how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, or switch it on or off thanks to this switcher at the top. Then click on alarm tone and pick one of those options by hitting the best one. You can also select all ringtones over here. Tap on music on the right to pick any song from your device and OK to save it, or alarm tone to pick one of those and save it by hitting OK as well. Then go back, click on the switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Select label and then type in wherever you want to. When you're ready, hit OK and save your alarm thanks to the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. To edit, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of the available options. To get rid of it, all you need to do is hold it, tap on delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!